Hi there, I'm Flavia and welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you the contents behind door 17 of Spellbinder's 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar. I have been having a lot of fun counting down to Christmas with this calendar, and if you've missed any of the previous videos, know that you can find a link in the description box down below to the playlist so you can check it out later. As we can see here, today we get another die set with 4 die plates included that we can use to cut out these pieces to make tags or small panels that we can stack up or not, to decorate a note card, and even to do some scrapbooking. Today I will be using 2 of these plates, and I will begin by taping the largest one to the front of a side-folding A2 size note card. I'm using Spellbinder's Best Ever Craft tape to hold my die plate in place as I run it through my Platinum 6 machine, and the reason why I'm using this tape is because I know it will not tear the cardstock when I'm ready to peel it off. So I highly recommend this one and I use it a lot. I also like to use a T-ruler to make sure everything is straight before I run it through my die cutting machine, and this one is by Simon Says Stamp. And I find it to be a very handy tool to have, especially because of the smaller size. As I run it through my die cutting machine, I will make sure to open my note card so I only cut out a window from the front panel. After that, I will add one white panel inside my note card on the right side that measures 5 1/4 by 4 inches. This note card will have a surprise window, which means that part of what the recipient sees when the note card is closed is actually glued inside the note card. Using that same large plate, I went ahead and cut out another piece from Spellbinder's cardstock in the color Persimmon, and I will now glue that piece in the negative space using strong liquid adhesive. I will do so with the note card closed, just to make sure that in the end everything is lined up regardless if the note card is closed or opened. Using the second largest metal plate in today's set, I cut out another piece from Spellbinder's cardstock in the color Peach Sorbet, and I will glue this one on top of the previous die cut. This window will be the focal point of this note card, and I will decorate it with a die-cut flower that I cut out using metal plates included on day 8th, I believe, of this crafty calendar. For the sentiment, I was first considering adding a die-cut banner, also created with die plates from this calendar, but in the end I decided to go with the sentiment just saying hello that I cut out from Spellbinder's Mirror Gold cardstock using metal plates from day 13 of this crafty advent calendar. And here is a closer look at the final note card along with the matching envelope, and I really like the simplicity of this one. Inside this note card there is a surprise message that reads, "I hope you are having a great day," and that is what I wish for you. I appreciate you spending this time with me. Take care, and I hope to see you again tomorrow for the reveal of door 18.